Welcome to my channel, Internet Quality Academy. This channel is specially designed for the civil engineer, site engineer, and the quality control engineer. In this channel, I will provide information, knowledge, and the strategy what is required to get success in the quality control or the site engineer in the construction level. Today's topics, I will discuss what is the basic requirement for the civil engineer or the site engineer whenever they are going to the site for an inspection. Because in the construction projects, in day out and day in, we need to go to the site either for the inspection or for the work. So whenever we are going, our aim should be getting maximum output from that site visit. In today's topics, I will discuss how to get the maximum output from the site visit. So stay tuned until the last to get the full information about these topics. Hi, I'm Kamal Banerjee, civil engineer and quality control professionals. I have more than 20 years of experience in India and the international levels in various construction projects like bridges, roads, dams, power plants, skyscraper, etc., etc. So let's jump into the subject. What is the basic requirements of the quality control engineer or the site engineer whenever they are going to the site? The first thing they need to check what is the personal safety. Why personal safety is very much important? Because we should work in a place where we should not get injured. So, but in the site, there are a lot of hazards there. There is concrete is going on. There is a height work. There is a hot work. There is a reinforcement. It can hurt us or it can be injured us. So from that, we need to protect ourselves. So first things we need to do our personal safety. How we can get the personal safety? Wear PPE such as hard hat, safety shoes, and reflective vest. What will be used for this? Because it will help you to keep you safe whenever you are at the site. And the second thing, take the quality induction from the safety officer. Why? As a quality control engineer, you know what is the quality requirement for that project. But the same way, the safety officer knows what is the basic requirement of the safety for that project because every project is different and every project has their own safety system. So how you know that? You need to get the quality induction from the safety officer. It will help every engineer to save whenever they are going for the inspection. And third, read the risk assessment. Why it is essential? Because in the risk assessment, every risk is analyzed and how to minimize it is mentioned. So you should be well aware whenever you are going to the site, what is the risk for this activity and how it can be minimized. So these are the personal safety. Before going to the site, please do not forget this personal safety. Or after getting the personal care and the personal safety, only go to the site. Okay, next is what to carry whenever you are going to the site. Because whenever you're going to the site, you need to take some measurement or you need to some photograph everything. So first things what you need to take are measuring tape. Why? Because whenever we are going to the site, we need to check the dimension details and everything, whether it is as per the drawings or not. So measuring tape is very much essential. And this measuring should have the calibration certificate from the concerned authorities. Because if it is not calibrated, it can give you the erroneous result. So check you have the measuring tape and with the calibrated certification. Next are notepad. Either it can be a paper or it can be digital. Because whenever we are going to the site, we need to take a lot of notes. We cannot give everything in the brain because we can forget everything whenever we're going back, coming back to the site office. So whenever we are say going to site, notepad will be there, and if anything is found, we should write out. Then the field book. The field book is very much essential for the site engineer or the quality control engineer because in the field book you need to give everything. Date, what is the weather condition, what is the site condition, everything should be in details in the field book. So after some time, maybe after 2 months or 3 months, whenever you check on that, what will happen, what was the weather condition, and whatever the concrete temperature, everything will be in the there. So fieldwork is very much essential. So carry the field book whenever you are going to the site. Then digital camera or the video recorder. Nowadays, everything is digital. So whenever you're going to site, take the camera and the video recorder so that whenever you saw anything, you take the photo, take the videos. So whenever you make the report, you can attach these photos or the videos to as a proof that these things happen in the site. You need to take care of this. So these things you need to carry whenever you are going to the site. measuring tape, a notepad, print book, digital camera, and the video recorder. Next, what document to read? Before going to the site, you need to read some documents to know or for the better understanding what is the actual activity is going on, what is the method. So that's why first thing, method statement we should read first and thoroughly from start to finish. And we need to understand what is the project and what is the activities going on and what is the method is applying. If we don't know the method, then we cannot inspect. Then GFC and shop drawings. Why? Because you need to know what to construct. Then it is in the drawing. So along with the method statement, GFC drawing is very much essential. Then inspection and test plan. Why? Because in inspection test plan, it will be clearly mentioned in which level and what type of inspection you need to carry. Sometimes it will be the surveillance inspection, sometimes it's witness inspection, sometimes the hold point inspection. So you need to know whenever you're going to the site that what type of inspection you need to carry. So that's why inspection test plan is required. And inspection test plan, it is written what to check and what is the method of check, everything in detail. So inspection test plan, please read. And the checklist. Without the checklist, no inspection is valid. You should not encourage any inspection without the checklist. So take things checklist. In the checklist, everything will be there. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. And whenever you could say go to the site, check like on this 1, 2, 3, 4, tick, 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 tick. If everything is okay, that means the work has been done as per the project specification. So these are the documents you need to read before going to the site. Next is what document to carry. So when you are going to the site, you need to carry some document, that is inspection request. Without inspection request, please do not go to the site whenever you are going for the inspection. In other purpose you can, but whenever going for the inspection, please carry the inspection request. In this inspection request, what you need to inspect and what time you need to inspection, what is the method of inspection, everything will be there. So along with the inspection request, put exactly the place and check what you need to check. And the checklist. Whenever you go to site checklist, as I mentioned, one by one you check and everything is okay. Then the inspection is approved. And the shop drawing always carry because you need to know what to check. So these are the documents you need to carry. Next, what to check. In initial stage, you need to check the environmental conditions. Why? Suppose you have the inspection request for the concreting and you need to check the environmental condition. That's why what is the temperature of the environment. If it is the high temperature or the low temperature, then concreting cannot be possible. So you maybe adjusted that the evening time you can do the concrete or the daytime you cannot do the time according to the environment condition. That's why the environmental condition is very much essential to check. And if it is also rainy season, that also you need to check that if the rainy season the concrete cannot be happen. Then the site condition. What is the site condition is you have to check whether it is a tidy enough or whether it is a safe work. You need the safe workplace. You need to check because if it is not safe, it is the site condition is not ready, the environmental condition is not ready. You cannot give the approval for the inspection. Then what to check in the final stage? What is the material used in the activity? Because in every activity, the material is specified as per the specification or as per the IS codes or as per the any other relevant codes. Check whether the material used as per the requirement or not, and whether the proper method followed or not. Because we have already read what is mentioned in the method statement, what method had to follow. We need to check that method had followed or not, and then ensure work as per checklist. Again, this checklist is coming. So checklist is very much essential. Every point you need to be there in the checklist and you need to check every detail as per the checklist. So these are the need to check at the final level. And then whenever you check, you come back to the office, but you need to do the documentation to make the report. So for that purpose, take the photos, take videos if needed, and observation if any. Just write down in your notepad. So whenever you are coming to the office, you can make a report. Now these are the documentation you need to carry out whenever you are site. Take photos, take videos, and observation as much as possible. Next is report submission. Now you have make the inspection. Now you need to submit the report to the concerned authority. Now make the report concerned along with photos and videos. So make 1.1 and photos. Make point two photos or the videos. In this process, you have to submit the inspection request or inspection report. And then the part is corrective action and the preventive action. Why? If you find any observation, so you need to do the corrective action. So make it as per the specification so that product non-conformity will be happen. And the preventive action. Why preventive action is required? Because these things, if any observation is there, this thing should not be happen in these projects in another other places. So that's why the preventive action is very much essential. For report submission, submit report as per your observation along with photos and videos, and take the corrective and the preventive action to make it more useful so that the same in happens reoccurrence is not happening. So these are the basic things you need to carry out whenever you are going to the site. Thank you. Thank you for watching. For me, please subscribe, like, and share, and comment your valuable feedback. And if you want to know any specific topics about quality control and the civil engineering, please let me know so I can come back with a better content. Thank you. Thank you very much.